Okay, we're looking now at chapter 13, application problem number 17 on page 392. So we have Velox Inc. began operation in 2009. For its first 2 taxable years, Velox records show the following, and we got the table there. U.S. source income of $300,000, foreign source income of $200,000, total taxable income of $500,000, and foreign income tax paid of $82,000. And for 2010, we have $270,000 of U.S. income, $630,000 of foreign income, and $900,000 of taxable income total. We paid foreign income tax of $151,000. So we want to compute our U.S. income tax for both years. So we're going to start with 2009. Our taxable income is $500,000. My pre-credit U.S. tax is going to be taken my $500,000 times my 34% tax rate, giving me $170,000 is what my U.S. tax rate would be. And again, that's on the U.S. corporate tax rate table. It can be found on page 530, appendix C of your book, or any U.S. tax table. Okay, so next we want to calculate our foreign tax credit calculation. I have this down below, and we want to calculate what's the maximum allowable. So I can only take the credit for what is apportionable to my federal tax. So I take my foreign source income of $200,000 divided by my taxable income of $500,000. So 40% is the amount of foreign taxes or foreign income that I have, times my taxable income or my taxable credit of $170,000. That's my tax rate or my taxable. So I have $68,000 as the maximum allowable tax that I can deduct to have been paid at that 40% rate. My tax I actually paid is $82,000. So I have $14,000 difference or carryover that I can't deduct this year. So my foreign tax credit is going to be the $68,000 again, my $200,000 divided by $500,000 times my pre-credit tax rate of $170,000 gives me $68,000 there. My U.S. tax rate is my U.S. tax payable is $102,000. For the next year, I'm going to do the same calculations. I have total taxable income of $900,000. My corporate tax rate is 34%. It's found on the table. So my pre-credit U.S. tax is $306,000. But I need to calculate my foreign tax credit. So I'm going to do that by taking E6, which is my foreign source income, $630,000, divided by my total taxable income of $900,000. So I have that percentage times my taxable income of $900,000, or excuse me, of my pre-credit U.S. tax of $306,000. So I have the maximum foreign tax credit allowed is $214,200. So that's going to be my deduction, maximum allowable deduction for foreign tax paid. My tax paid is $151,000, which is going to be calculated by taking. That's my foreign tax paid. My foreign tax credit is going to be taken by taking that $151,000 plus my $14,000 carry forward that I was not able to use in 2009. So we have a carry forward situation there. So my $165,000 deduction is that $51,000 taxes paid plus the $14,000 carryover from the previous year that I was not able to deduct. So my total foreign tax credit is going to be $165,000, leaving me a U.S. tax of $141,000.